In this video, I will talk about the J1 taxes and we will be covering a couple of questions. So you will get a basic idea about how the tax work. And before we start, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. First of all, I'm not a CPA, certified professional accountant. I have done my own taxes every year for the past 4 years. Thus, I'm making this video and I advise you to please seek advice from tax professional before doing your taxes if you'd like to do so. So, since the 1960s, thousands of people each and every year come to live, study and work in the US. Though the J1 Exchange Visitor Program offers these positions. Through the program, a foreign national can travel to the US and participate in different programs offered by the approved sponsor. So the J1 visa holder are subjected to automatically to the local laws, including the taxes. So below, I will explain the tax obligation of a J1 visa holder living and working in the US. Working in the US on a J1 visa means that you'll probably have a number of different taxes deducted from your US income when you are paid every week, every bi-week, every month, whatsoever. So as the J1 student or intern in the US, you will be considered as a non-resident for tax purposes. As a non-resident, you will typically only pay taxes on income from US sources, from your employees actually. Exactly how much tax you pay in the US will depend on how much you earn and where you end up working, as the taxes vary by different states. Every states have their own different tax laws and stuff. So my first question will be how the J1 visa holder are viewed by the Internal Revenue Service. So the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, is the government agency that enforces the federal tax code. Some states have their own individual state department of revenue which manage the taxes for the state level, while some municipalities and countries like New York City, for example, also charge local taxes. So for tax filing purposes, if you want to file taxes, J1 visa holders are deemed as non-resident aliens. During their stay and are typically required to pay the federal tax, state tax and local taxes. They're also typically expected to file annual reports, also known as tax return, with the IRS about their income. So this is one of the things that you need to do at the end of every year. You will have to submit your income and the IRS will take a look. And if you owed money, you have to give them money, and if they owed you take more taxes, they will give back some of the money from your taxes that were taken. So the next question will be required tax forms for the J1 visa holders. So the most J1 exchange visitor will either need to file a 1040 NR or a 1040 NR EZ form. If you do not earn income while living in the US, you will still be required to file Form 8843 no later than the tax filing deadline. The 1040 NR EZ and the 1040 NR forms are very similar, with the 1040 NR EZ being a shorter version of the other form. You can fill out a questionnaire from the IRS to determine which of these two forms you should file. Paying taxes that you owe or receive a refund after you file your taxes. So if you find that you are underpaid your taxes when you fill out your tax return, you will need to pay your balance to the IRS. You can pay your taxes online with a debit or credit card on the IRS website. If you overpaid your taxes during a single particular tax year, the IRS will send you a refund, which happen most of the time, but it's very rare that you have to pay. So that's for today. See you next time, and please make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much.